Hello, my dear students. Myself, Mr. Mangesh Bale. I am working as an assistant professor at Kokle Education Society's Arts, Commerce, and Science College, Chawar, Palghar. So, in the previous lecture, we have seen quality control, its definition, and the motto of the quality control and the PDCA circle. Okay, PDCA means what? Plan, do, check, act. Okay, that is the PDCA circle, and also we have completed quality assurance. Okay, and at the end of previous lecture, we have seen the difference between quality control and quality assurance. So, in today's lecture, we are going to see the importance of quality concepts in industry. Okay, importance of quality concepts in industry. In that case, some of the important or benefits of quality concepts are there are actually 12 important or beneficial quality concepts. First one is the encourage quality consciousness. Okay, in Marathi we can say consciousness means what? Janiv. Okay, second one, satisfaction of consumer. Third, reduction in production cost. Fourth, most effective utilization of resources. Fifth one, reduction in inspection costs. Sixth one, increased goodwill. Seventh one, higher moral of employees. Higher moral of employees. Eighth one, improved employer employee relations. Ninth, improved techniques and methods of production. 10th, effective advertisement. 11th, facilities price fixation. And the last one is the increased sales. Okay, these are the actually 12 important quality concepts in our industry. Okay, now we will see one by one in detail. First one is the encourage quality consciousness. Okay, the important advantage derived by introducing quality concept in that it develops and encourages quality consciousness among the workers in the factory, which is greatly helpful in achieving desired level of quality in the product. Okay, that means when we introducing quality concept that it will be developed in encourage quality consciousness among the worker, whatever worker they are working in the factory, among them we have to encourage it. Okay, that will be helpful to desired level of quality in the product. Second one, satisfaction of consumer. Consumer greatly benefited as they get better products on account of quality control. When the consumer purchase or taking that particular good product, and he will be benefited. Okay, that means simply it will be satisfied when they it will purchase that product, and then it gives them satisfaction. Consumer will be satisfied with that whatever product he or she purchased. Third one, reduction in inspection cost. Inspection means what? Checking. Quality concepts bring about economics in inspection and considerable reduces cost of inspection. That means whatever all the product will be depend on the particular cost. Okay, when the inspection or checking is done, that the price or the cost of the inspection will be reduced while checking of that particular product. Fourth one, reduction in production cost. By undertaking effective inspection and control over production process and operations, production costs are considerably reduced. That means effective inspection and control over production processes and whatever operations done, then that the production cost will get reduces. Quality control further check the production of inferior products and wastage, thereby bringing down the cost of production considerably. Suppose a company produce or prepared a particular product, and the quality control will be checked inferiorly, not inferiorly, and the whatever wastage of that product, that only bring down the cost of the production. Fifth one, most effective utilization of resources. In that, quality concepts ensures maximum utilization of available resources, thereby minimizing wastage and inefficiency of every kind. Sixth one, increased goodwill. By producing better quality products and satisfying consumer needs, quality concepts raise the goodwill of the concern in the minds of people. That means whatever product will be purchased by the consumer, then he or she will be satisfied with that product, then the quality concept will be raise the goodwill of the concern for mind of peoples, or whatever requirement of the people, it will be done that product or maintain the quality of that standard quality of that product. Seventh one is the higher moral of employees. Employees, that means the worker working into that industry or the factory. An effective system of quality concepts is greatly helpful in increasing the morale of employees and They feel that they are working in the concern producing better and higher quality products. Okay. If the moral of employees and they feel that they are working in very helpful, or you can say producing it will working in a very nice area for producing better and higher quality products, that will be effective system in quality concept. Eighth one, improved employer employee relations. In that case, it develops better industrial atmosphere. If the employer employees relation is nice one, then that case industrial atmosphere will be very good. It develops better industrial atmosphere by increasing morale of employees, which ensures cordial employer-employee relations, leading to better understanding and closeness between them. Then the employer-employee relation will be good. Then the working also very nice in industry. Ninth one, improved techniques and methods of production. That means we have to develop a new techniques, a new method for the production of particular product. By supplying technical and engineering data for the product and manufacturing processes, improved methods and designs of production are ensured by quality concepts. For the better production, we have to improve and new techniques and new methods for the production of the standard product. Okay, how? By supplying the technical and engineering data for the product. 10th one, facilitates price fixation. That means price of the product. By introducing quality concepts, measures uniform products of same quality are produced. It means whatever product will be produced in a particular industry, that if the uniform price will be there, okay, then the consumer will be satisfied, or you can say purchase easily that product. That will be greatly facilitate the problem of price fixation. Once piece of standard products becomes prevalent in the market. 11th one, effective advertisement. That means whatever product will be produced or prepared in the industry, that we have to advertise. Okay, that is advertise makes a very popular of that product quality also. Organization producing quality products have effective advertisement. They win the public confidence by supplying those better quality products. Last one, increased sales. Quality concepts ensures production of quality products, which is immensely helpful in attracting more customers for the product and ultimately increasing sales. Okay, that means at the end we have to increase the sale of the product while keeping the quality of that product at higher level. Okay, so this is about the importance of quality concepts in industry. Into the next lecture, we are going to start the chemical standards certified reference materials. Okay, thank you.